A warm welcome to everyone in my YouTube channel. This is Ankita Agrawal. Today we are going to learn about spreadsheet software or Excel, that is basically used for storing, organizing and manipulating data in rows and columns. Excel is widely used business tool and is used extensively in data analytics. It allows users to build a variety of gate charts like pie chart, bar chart, etc. Now you can see Excel sheet is open over here. Here is the quick access tool. This is the save button, redo and undo, and here is the name of the Excel sheet coming. Now you can see the next things are the tab, that is file tab, home tab, insert, page layout, formula bar, data, review and view. At the bottom the functionalities are the changing. This part is known as the ribbon. Now when we are clicking on the home tab, you can see a name box is coming in here. Now what is a name box consist of? The Excel sheet basically consists of rows and columns, or it is an intersection of rows and columns. Here you can see these are the columns and here are the rows. So by the intersection of the rows and columns, cells are made. What are cells? Cell is basically intersection of rows and columns. Now you can see the name box consists of the cell number or the cell address or cell pointer. Here this is the A and 1. So this is named as A1. If you will click somewhere here, it will be C and 4. What is a formula bar? A formula bar is a bar in which you will enter the formula that we will be learning in our next session. Right now it is basically a bar in which you enter the data. Now here there is one cell that is heavily bordered. You can see it is bordered by a green lines, that is known as active cell. What is active cell? Active cell is the cell in which you are currently working and it is selected by either clicking through the mouse or through the keyboard key. Only one cell can be active at one time and the active cell is heavily bordered. Now to enter the data, you can either click over here or you can directly click in the active cell and you can enter anything. At the bottom you can see the sheet 1 is coming. That is the sheet in which you are currently working. In the same way, when you will click on the plus sign, you can create more Excel sheets in the same worksheet. So here you can see these are known as worksheets, and the collection of all these worksheets are known as workbook. Here you can see a normal view, the page layout, and this is the page break preview, and here is the zoom in and zoom out. In order to save your worksheet, you have to click file and you can say save as. For example, I save it on the desktop by my name, and you can say save. So now you can see the name has been changed to Excel and it has been saved on your desktop too. Here you can see. So today we have learned about the basics of Excel, how to open Excel sheet, what is a cell, active cell, and so on. In the next session we will be learning about next few things. Thanks for viewing my channel.